Yeah, I don't want to send all the video. I don't want to send all the video clips through the Switch. So I'm just gonna find the ones that I got. See all the shinies that I got. I got this when I was like I was half asleep, and I got this. And this wasn't an outbreak. This was full odds, by the way. I was trying to do a blueberry quest, and I saw an odd-looking tentacle. I was like, wait, hold on, let me double check. I was like, wait, yeah, it is shiny. Uh, that was full odds. Full odds, shiny tentacle. Or sorry, cool. And then there was this. This wasn't an outbreak. Just skip to where I found it. This only took me like 20 picnic resets. Or sorry, 20 minutes, not 20 picnic resets. That would take a long time. But I finally got that shiny Alolan Raichu. I didn't see it because it stopped abruptly. And then this one, I got a shiny Zorua, which is honestly one of my better finds. It doesn't appear right away, but right there. Woo! Easily one of my best finds. And then I gotta see if I can remember. Yep, this one right here. This is a shiny Gibble that took me 14 outbreaks to find. And I finally got it after that 2-week-long drought. I just sat there in shock. I was like, no way, I actually got it. Alright, what else did I get? I'm pretty sure that was it. Or no, sorry. There's also a shiny Machoke, and I was trying to complete the massive mass outbreak quests. I was like, I didn't know I had to save. I was trying to walk onto it, but I mean, it was just focused on the other one for some reason. And I did get it. But that wasn't all of them. I got a shiny Abra. I got that Eevee. And I got a Chatot as well. So, those cool finds or what?